is Mom Hack Monday, and I have an awesome mom hack for you for your kiddos after they've played sports all day or been running around at PE. And it is for a foot soak. So Alidy's been at tennis camp. She's having fun, but her feet have bothered her after so many days of being out playing on the hard clay courts. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna make something very similar, pretty much the same, as the bath salts, which is 1 cup of Epsom salt. Okay, so I'm gonna have her hold this. And then you're gonna add 10 drops of PanAway into the Epsom salt. PanAway. So we're gonna add the PanAway to the Epsom salt, and then I'm gonna shake it up. And you only need like less than half of this jar in the bucket where you're gonna soak your feet. Okay, so I'm gonna have her shake this, and I'm gonna pour some hot water into this container I have here on the floor where she is going to put her feet in it. Okay, so I put hot water in it. We're gonna use the Epsom salt. Again, I'm just putting like half, okay? I'm gonna mix it all up for her. There we go. All right, Aldy, put your feet in. And she's gonna soak her feet. And it'll feel so good, right? Here, sit up.
It feels so good on her feet.
All right. So they'll be good and ready for tomorrow for her to play more tennis. But that is a mom hack for you. All right, have a great day. Bye.